Welcome back on this Mayor Monday. You know, Sandy was among several cities in Clackamas County breathing a sigh of relief over the weekend.
Yeah, the city saw fire evacuation orders rolled back from level 2 to level 1. It is a nice step down, but Sandy officials are urging everyone to stay vigilant. Joining us live this morning to talk about the impact of the wildfires and the community relief efforts is Stan Pulliam, Mayor of Sandy. Good morning, Mayor.
Hello, good morning.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. I know it has probably been a very stressful couple of weeks for you. Catch us up to speed. Wildfire evacuations, how has it been for everyone in Sandy?
Yeah, it's been a wild year. I think the last time I was on with you, we were at the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic. Yes, late Thursday, early Friday, we went to a level 2 evacuation, which, as you can imagine, made a lot of our local neighbors here rather nervous. But so we've really hunkered down and done a real community effort here to help out a lot of our local community members, along with some members of some neighboring communities like Estacada who are temporary residents of our community here for the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, you know, we've been talking a lot about the air quality, just really in the whole region. What's the impact been in Sandy as far as that smoke?
Yeah, it's extremely smoky conditions out here. I seen a report somewhere that's the equivalent of smoking 4 packs of cigarettes a day. You know, there's no real knowledge on what the long-term health ramifications are going to be, but we're all trying to wear masks and be as careful as possible right now.
Yeah, it is certainly stressful, just to add to the stress of having to evacuate and all of it, to feel like you can't even go outside. Any message for residents right now? I'm sure we've seen a lot of people in the community stepping up to say, how can I help? You know, where can we go? What can we do? What do you want people to know?
Yeah, you know, as mayor out here, what an incredibly proud moment this has been. There's always a silver lining to these tragedies, and it truly has been the galvanizing of our community. We've had just about every local small business contributing goods and food and fresh water. We've had a lot of volunteers from Sandy Helping Hands over at Sandy Les Schwab for a food relief evacuee center. There was a moment where I reached out to our local Pizza Hut out here, and they needed to get more dough made within an hour to deliver pizzas. And as they delivered the pizzas, I looked back and I saw their 2 employees reach up and slap hands on their way back in. This has really just been these moments of the community coming together to help out people in need. It's been really incredible.
Oh, definitely. And you mentioned that evacuee relief center at Les Schwab in Sandy. I know that the evacuation orders were downgraded in Sandy. Is that really just for people in the entire area outside of Sandy as well?
Yeah, so what we have is really the city limits of Sandy is now down to a level 1 evacuation. We do outside of the city limits people, the Sandy address that are still in the level 2 evacuation zone. And then of course with Estacada being a very close neighbor of ours, we have a lot of their community members out here that still have a lot of need from us.
Yeah, I mean, adding to the stress of just having to evacuate is the fact that we're still in this coronavirus pandemic and everyone is trying to protect themselves and their families without getting too close to other people. How have you been able to handle COVID challenges here during this wildfire crisis?
Well, you know, you try your best. All you can do really is triage the situation in front of us. Like I mentioned earlier, what a year, right? And so everybody, all our volunteers are wearing the masks and the face protection. We're trying to do 6 foot of social distancing. At the same time, you know, we have folks that have had to leave their homes and that are temporarily dislocated. So we've got to be able to help those folks out and try to use as many of our precautions as we possibly can right now.
Yeah, well, Mayor Stan Pulliam, I feel like it's been like 5 years, or we've aged 30 years since we last talked to you.
Feels that way.
Yeah, 2020.
It's only been a couple of months, but about 3 or 4 emergencies, it feels like.
Too many news cycles to count, that's for sure.
Yeah, well, we appreciate you joining us during this busy time. And of course, we have extensive wildfire coverage right now online on coin.com. Mayor, have a good morning.
Thank you, you too.
Yeah.
All right.